In mining, precision is profit, but traditional tools still treat the terrain like a flat surface. Thousands of static files, disconnected workflows, and surface-only insight. That's the old way. Voxel Space changes everything. From excavation to processing, every decision on a mine site carries weight and cost. Yet surface models, contour lines, and spreadsheets don't show the full picture. You miss ore, you move waste, you risk costly mistakes. Voxel Space redefines mine planning. With true volumetric modeling, your entire site becomes a dynamic 3D volume, built from voxels. Millions of cubes, each packed with spatial data. Now you can model ore bodies, fault lines, haul roads, and drainage, all in one centralized platform. Reduce waste by defining ore boundaries with voxel-level accuracy. Design smarter blasts by modeling rock behavior across volumes, not slices. Track change in real time. Scan your pit today, compare with last week, instantly, and unify your entire team. Geologists, engineers, operations. Everyone works from the same living model. One copper mine reduced waste movement by 22%, boosted fragmentation by 15%, and streamlined regulatory reporting with 3D time-aware exports. With fewer surprises and more confidence. You're no longer managing files. You're managing the mine live in 3D from pit to profit. It's time to leave static maps behind and start building a smarter mine with Voxel Space. See your mine like never before. Try Voxel Space free or book your demo today.